Hi there! Welcome to my first official video for my channel. And today we are going to be talking about the Target Beauty Box. This is one of my favorite places to go to get small items, sample items that I can try out and see how they work. Love it. It's great. All you have to do is go onto the Target website. I can put the link below so you can just go right there. So each box is $7 flat rate. No shipping and handling. There is taxes though, but I think mine's like $7.50 or something after taxes, I want to say. I live in Michigan, so it's like it'll depend on what state you live in to depend on how much you pay in taxes. So let's put that one back. We'll start with my newest ones. I just bought these this month. They're still in the plastic and everything. I have not opened these. Now, when you go on the website, you can see what's in the box. So it's not going to be a surprise to you or anything like some other like subscription boxes. It's not a subscription box. There's nothing to subscribe to. You can just buy them, you know, one at a time. So if there's a box you don't like, you don't have to get it, which that's definitely happened to me. I didn't get December's box because it was okay, but there wasn't anything in it that I really liked. Okay, there we go. Plastic is off. Let's open it up. I love the cover of this. The cover for every month is different, by the way. All right, so once you open it up, you will find a little card. And it's this box is called Out with the Old, In with the New. They've started giving each of them titles. Before they just said like, this is X month's box, you know, this is December box, this is November box. Now they've started to give them titles, which, okay, because they all usually have like a theme to go with them. And then on the back of the card, you'll see a little descriptor of each thing that is in the box, plus a $3 off coupon for a beauty purchase of 15 or more in cosmetics, skincare, and hair care, which is valid at Target or Target.com. So in each one of these, you get a $3 off. They're only good for a month though. Yeah, this one expires 2/2/20. So you can't like hoard all of them and get like a crap ton of money off your order. And there's this little thing of nice little paper. Holy crap, that's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay. We get the Olay Regenerist Whip. This is a big box. This is actually like something that they sent before. They sent another Olay thing that I actually have. What did I just do with that? Yeah, they sent this one a few months ago. That's a good sized can. There's no false bottom. You know how they love to do false bottoms with stuff. And it's not as full now because obviously I've been using it, but it was pretty full when I got it. And that was a few months ago. So I'm excited to see. This is a pretty big container, but I know they kind of have, okay, it's not as big a container as that one, obviously. It's much smaller, and it does have a false bottom. I don't like false bottoms. And then the rest of the container is like empty, except there's this little, oh, you get a $3 off Olay Regenerist Facial Moisturizer. And that's good until next year. So you do get a $3 off coupon if you want to buy the full-size one in the store. So that's nice. So let's open this up. Oh, there's a good amount in there. There's a very good amount in there, if you can see. There we go. You can see that. There's a fairly good amount in there. So if you don't use it that often, that could probably last you quite a while. I might use that. Might use that in one of my videos. I could do a video about that. All right, let's put that back. And then you have another Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Cream. I think this is their newest one that just came out. I'm guessing that the size is going to be about the same as the other one. Which, yep, little itty bitty size. False bottom. I hate the false bottoms, guys. I hate them. But there's a fairly good amount in there. I might do a video about both of these. I just dropped my box. There's another coupon in that box. I dropped it. It's underneath of me, and I'm not going to go that far to get it. I'll get it later. And then we also have, what do we have? Crest 3D White Toothpaste. There's a lot of different stuff that comes in this box, okay? A lot of different stuff that comes in this box. It sounds like a fairly big container. Yeah, it's a fairly good sized container. Like, you could take that on trips with you. A lot of the times I use these to take on trips with me. Like, when I first started doing them, I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, getting these boxes. So I've taken them like up north with me. I took them to my brother's wedding in Raleigh. I love taking them places with me. So then we also have hair food, coconut milk, and chai spice, nourishing shampoo and conditioner. Those are fairly good sizes. Those are fairly good sizes. You'll notice this one's wrapped up a little. I don't know why they didn't do the other one. But a lot of the times they'll wrap up stuff with this. That's just to make sure when they get shipped it doesn't like explode and go all over the place. So this looks like it's a good size actually. Ooh, it smells good, and it's right up to the top. Our collections are safe on and designed to protect color treated hair. I usually have color treated hair. I've decided to go white. Decided to just let it go. Let her go. And then we have little packages of stuff. There's Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. Little case here. I actually think I have a bigger one from a few weeks ago. And then this tiny little thing of number 7 Firming Booster Serum. Tiny little thing. Tiny little thing. But that's okay. And then we have Kebella Bath and Beauty Relieving Watermelon Peel-Off Mask and Cooling Avocado Clay Mask. So you got 2 of those. They seem to do Kebella a lot. I've got a few of those. This one, as you can see, also has its own cute little cover. And again, we have the opening, which this is Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. And again, it has explanations on the back, your $3 off card. You might actually be able to double that with the other one. I'm not sure because it expires the same time. Again, a little wrap, little stuff. Ooh, we got a big, it looks like a big save $2 now. This is Love Beauty and Love Home and Planet. And it has this big save $2 now. I think this is the laundry detergent. Yep, this is 4 times concentrated laundry detergent. So that's a pretty good amount. I can do a few. I just did my sheets. I just washed my sheets the other day. So we will have to wash them again later. Okay. And then we have, what do we have here? We have coconut oil formula, coconut oil body lotion from Palmer's. Is that like liquid or is that solid? Fair trade coconut oil. I think it's just okay, it's lotion. Smells good. It's really like right up to the top there too. So if I can get that back on now. Okay, what else? We have a native charcoal deodorant. Little thing of native charcoal deodorant. Ooh. Oh, that actually smells really good. I don't know what I expected that to smell like, but it was not bad. Lumen Valo Nordic Sea Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. I'm guessing that's some kind of face wash. Nice. Okay. We have a Myers Clean Day hand soap. Little tiny thing. I don't know. Oh, it squeezes out. Whoops. It squeezes out. It squeezes out. That smells pretty good. Okay. And then we have Burt's Bees Purely White Fluoride Free Toothpaste in Peppermint. That also sounds like it's a fairly decent size. We have some premium cotton pads. I got these in a previous month too, so I have a couple different. These are for like makeup, taking off makeup and stuff like that. I have a couple of those from another box. And then let's see, what is this? Oh, this is Lumen Nordic Sea Oil Cocktail vitamins C, A, B3, B5, and E. So I'm guessing if you just want to put that on your skin as like a, see? It feels like a one-time use only thing. There does, sorry. Okay, let's see. This is Uni. Ooh, shower sheets. This is oddly what I was most excited about, is these shower sheets. Large body wipe instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So I'm guessing this is one big sheet. So if you have not taken a shower in a few days, you can just throw this on. It's no time, no shower, no worries. Tear open this oversized, super soft, moist wipe to instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. Perfect on the go. I am going to do a video about this. This was honestly why I got this one. I was so excited about that. Okay, so then for the older boxes, I literally have a whole box. I don't know if I can even pick it up. It might be really heavy. I have literally a whole box full of other smaller boxes. Oop, there goes that one. But yeah, so this, like I said, I've gotten these for about 1.5 years, so I have a ton of it. Oh, right here is another K-Bella. This is a plumping mask, gold peel-off mask. So I got that one with one of the past ones. I also have Schmidt's Charcoal Magnesium Deodorant. That one's pretty nice. I have actually tried that one. Dove Derma Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. There's a Bliss Makeup Melt Makeup Remover. There's a Cetaphil Moisturizer Lotion. There's a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. I mean, there's some air spray, some Pantene air spray. Like, there's so many different things that come in these boxes. It's insane. There's so much stuff. Like, you get all different kinds of stuff every single time. Here's some Dove spray deodorant. I love this stuff. I do love this stuff. I've tried that. I love the smell. It's easy. This is one of the other things I've tried. There's these 2 little bags of Simple Wash. This one's micellar water, and this one's facial moisturizing facial wash. I've used this one a few times. You can't even tell that I've used any. Like, I've done this at least twice, and there's still like a crap ton in there. So these would last you. Like, these would be really great for putting in your purse. I've used this one, like I said, and it's really nice. Oh, this stuff. Oh, I love this stuff. Sun lotion. Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream by Acure. SPF 30. It has turmeric, ferulic acid, and vitamin C, and it's a facial moisturizer. I used this last summer. Loved it. There's also, somewhere in this mess, I have a spray SPF that I got from Target Beauty. I don't know where it is, but it's in that mess somewhere. Oh, I have a Kids Crest Anti-Cavity in strawberry. So they even give you like kids stuff in here. And 3-in-1 dry texture spray. They do a lot of sprays. I feel like, yeah. I got 2 that I've had in my bathroom for quite a while. So I've had those. They don't do very well in my hair. My hair is so curly because the directions are to spray it in your hair and just comb it through. I can't do that with dry hair. So it doesn't work that well for me. I usually just use them if I haven't taken a shower and I have to go to the store. It just refreshes my hair a little bit. This is one of my favorite things. Pond's Cold Cream. I love this stuff. I love it. This is for when you're feeling lazy at night. It's Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover Deep Cleanser. But you can use it even if you don't have makeup on. Oh, I love it. I use this any night. I can open it right now and show you that I've used it a couple of times. You can see my dirty little finger paws in there. And there's still a lot left. Like, they give you quite a bit in this. And once this is out, I'm going to buy a bigger one. The other favorite thing, this isn't the size they sent me. They sent me one that was like this like way smaller than this. But I used it, so I bought a regular size one. This is Method Body Pure Peace Body Wash. This smells amazing. You can see with the light where it's at, how much I've used. I used the smaller one that I got in Target Beauty Box. I'm so glad they sent me this. It is my little piece of heaven. Even if I'm not taking a shower, if I just want to feel better. Oh, it smells so good. So yeah, that's the kind of stuff you can expect in Target Beauty Box. I mean, there's a crap ton of stuff. There's a crap ton of just different stuff. Shampoos, conditioners. Oh yeah, I got a razor in one a couple months ago. I got a shampoo in that one. I got a hydrating facial sheet mask in that one. I got this, which was the 12 Days of Beauty they did for November, which is basically like a advent calendars where you open it up every other day, counting down to Christmas. So I got like a crap. I got 12 things from this. I mean, they range from, almond and avocado conditioner. There's the Pantene Mist Behaving Dry Conditioner Mist. There's eye cream. There's more dry shampoo. There's Pantene Sheet Day Dry Shampoo. There's more native. This is coconut and vanilla deodorant. Native coconut and vanilla body wash. I have not used that yet. I haven't really gotten a chance to use any of this stuff here. There's what is that? Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss, I think. Ooh, it smells like candy. There's, I think this is mascara. Looks like mascara. Yep, that's mascara. I don't use a lot of mascara just because my eyelashes are pretty naturally long. Oh, here's another Kay Bella. What do you know? Another Kay Bella, another gold mask there. So there you go. That's kind of what you can expect in a Target Beauty Box. I mean, there's so many different things that you can get from a Target Beauty Box. It's insane. It's insane. Oh, this was one of my favorite ones. I forgot about this one. It's right up here on my dresser. Full size Love Beauty and Planet deodorant. Full size. The boxes used to be $5 and then they changed it to $7. This was in the first box that was $7. So this was last January. I got this a year ago, January. And I thought, oh, it's $7 because there's a full size friggin' deodorant in there. No, it's just because they upped the price by $2. But it's still a really good price for all the stuff you get. So that's the Target Beauty Box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get it. Link below. Take care of yourself. Drink a glass of water. Take your medication. Get some rest. Be good to each other. I love you.